on. What do you got there?
Yeah.
Is it lobster or crab?
Crab.
Alright, let me have some crab. Alright. Alright, go ahead and out there get to cooking. What you got going on now? Some beans. Well, go ahead. Whatever you want to. Oh. Hey Benji, we really, you gonna cook some steaks? All right. Show me how to cook steaks.
Still no 11.
Oh.
4, 7, 13, both 18 channels, 23 and 28.
You got the steaks are done?
No.
No, not yet. Okay. Well, let me know when the steaks are ready. Oh, they're ready? Can I have one? All right, bring me one. Ooh, is it hot? It's not done yet. You gotta turn the fire back up. All right. You don't want to burn them now. Check on it. Make sure.
Oh, I'm done.
It's not done? Okay. Oh, it's hot. Oh, well, don't touch it. Why you gonna stick your hand on my steak? Uh-oh. I think the steak's done.
Oh, I'm done.
Can I have it? All right, bring it to me. Oh, look at that steak. Look at that big old steak. Oh. Oh, can I have some mashed potatoes? I don't want a hot dog, but I'll eat it. Can I have some of the beans you made? No, the beans are on the burner.
He's doing it Stephen Reichlin style, Daddy.
What kind of beans are they?
Mini.
They're minion beans? Oh, wow. I ain't never had a minion bean. Oh.
Mini.
Oh. Are you done cooking?
No.
Are you waiting for the rest for Mama?
Mama.
Oh, Mama's gotta eat.
Oh, Mommy. I thought.
Oh, he's got a hot dog.
That's a good hot dog.
God. Whoa.
What else you got for me?
God.
Crab?
Why?
Yeah.
You got crab?
You didn't give me the crab. Oh, you didn't tell me it was done.
That's some good crab.
You
You got
want?
steak too? Well, let me try it.
Oh.
Okay, I'll use both hands.
Oh my.
Oh. Are you gonna be the next Master Chef Junior?
Hey.
Oh,
You
gotta
got-
put some sauce on some of it.
You put
Oh,
this on.
all of it. Okay.
Oh, let me guess. I know what you're making. You're making tacos, ain't you?
Tacos on the grill. Oh.
You hear him? Alright now. I think they're done. Can we have some tacos? That's the beans. That's green beans. Oh, come on. I want some tacos.
We'll bring it here.
Oh,
Is it
come
going
on.
Mommy or Daddy? Daddy?
Taco. Mm.
Well, where's Mommy's?
You got any left?
Let
Uh-oh.
me see. Oh, it's a steak taco? That's a good taco.
Oh. Was there onions and peppers in it? You got the onion and peppers right there.
Oh, careful. Uh-oh.
You dropped it. Alright.
Says I got more, Daddy.
Alright, one more and I'm gonna be. Oh my god. Oh, that crab is delicious. Oh, it was a hot
dog, Daddy.
Alright, well, it tastes like crab. Alright, you ready to go in and eat?
Come on, let's go. Benjamin, it's a bit cool out here now.
What is the matter with you?
Why are you getting all up in my face with your phone?
Cause I ain't got no Kool-Aid, man.
Okay, well, I don't want an extreme close-up.
That's not close. I just want everybody to know what you look like.
Why?
Alright, shut your grill down. We're going in to eat, buddy. I think.
No, we're not taking that in. That stays out here. Yes. What are you doing?
What are you doing? Imagine this is what I got to live with.